Hi, in this video we are going to see a relational or comparison operator using a comparison program. We will take two input from the user A and B, and then we will compare them. Accordingly, we will prompt the message to the user. So first of all, we will create a directory here, project, and then go to that directory. And here we will create a .NET project using .NET New Console. So our console app was created successfully. So now we will clear the terminal and go to the Visual Studio Code, and here we will open that project. So basically our program compares two integer variables A and B using various relational operators, then display the result to the console, and the program first check whether the A is equal to B, then whether A is greater than B, and so on. The program uses if-else statements to out the results of the comparison to the console. Alright, so first of all we will import the system namespace, and this one is optional. So first of all we will create a class comparison, and then main. And in the main function we will create two variables. Create the two variables int of integer type A and B. Take them from the user. Console dot write line, enter the value of A, and here we should write. Then we will take the value for B also similarly. So now we will compare them. So if A is equal to B, then print that A and B are equal. Else if we should use here if A is or we can also do it this A and B are not equal, and then using another if statement, that if A is greater than B, then print that A is greater than B, else print B is greater than A, and then check if A is greater than B, then print B is less than A, else A is less than B. Next we can use if A is greater than equal to B, A is greater than or equal to B, and then else B is greater than or equal to A. Similarly we can use if B is less than or equal to A, B is less than or equal to A, then we can use else A is less than or equal to B. So this will compare, and so we'll run this program on our terminal. So we'll go to terminal and run using .NET run program. So there's an error, so we will fix the error. So we'll go to Visual Studio. Here is the error, so we'll fix this. Also, we will get a warning because we are converting it to integer type, so we will use null for giving operator here. So now we'll go to terminal. .NET run. So it's asking for value of a, so we write 5, value of b which is 2. So this is printing all the statement that a and b are not equal. A is greater than b and b is less than a, greater than or equal to b, b is less than or equal to a. Alright, thank you.